this is Michelle with the Southern Shell, and I'm here to share with you what I've been doing with my Spellbinders Card Kit of the Month for October 2020. So this is the first one that I've gotten done, and it's not quite done yet, but I thought I was going to stop and just go ahead and share the process of what I've done. So the kit this month is has the Dancing Santa in it, and that's the die that comes with it. And I try to, when I get them in, I try to make one so that I have it together that is going to actually be kept with my die. And so I went ahead and just cut it out in white, and I colored it and put it together. So that will stay with that die cut there. And then what I do is I go through, and all of the cutouts and the stickers, I go through and look at them. And I've actually separated out, I got my little dots here, sorry. I actually separated the die cuts into little, I've done like the statements, I have the little animals in one bag. There were so many die cuts, pieces in this kit. So I went ahead and I separated and put them in little baggies. So I knew that this had like the animals in it, this had little words and maybe tags. This had other items that maybe had the white shadow around them, and then there was this one that didn't have any shadow around it. And then this is the leftover paper from what I've already cut up here. So let me move these out of the way. Here are the cards, the paper, the cardstock that came with it. Several different beautiful Christmas colors, some of the in the pastel and then some in the brights. Of course you have your gold. And what I have done is I went through the paper pad and the dies, and I pulled out what I wanted to work with. So here's stickers, here's the stamp set, and then here's the paper pad. And I've already pulled some out, and that's what was in the leftovers. And each of my little Ziploc baggies here, which I'll reuse again, I have a card base, some paper, and the dies that I wanted to use with that. And so I have those together, and so they're ready to do some building. I will be using some stickers with those, and I will be using the stamp set on the inside of the card as well. So this one is, the base is done on this. I'm going to probably come in and do a little bit of some embellishments with some glitter or some stickles, something to give it a little more bling on that. But I want to get the base of them done, and then come in and I'll do some decorating on them. So the next one, I'm going to go ahead and just pull this up. So this one I have the snowflake paper, and I have just some white card that I just did a quick cut to make a snow mound, and the card base. And I have some of the dies here, so I'm going to go ahead and just get started and bring you along with my process. Okay, y'all, that's it for these first 10 cards. I will have some photos at the end of this video. If you like what you see and would like to see more from me, just hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and it'll let me know that you like these kind of videos. And if you'd like to know when I'm uploading a new video, just hit that notification bell and YouTube should notify you when I'm uploading a new one. As always, thank you for joining me. I hope you're all staying safe. God bless, and bye for now.